In the not-so-distant future, a new technological breakthrough was announced that promised to change the world forever. It was a tiny microchip that could be implanted in the human brain to remove all the bad and evil genes from a person's DNA. The chip was developed by a brilliant scientist named Dr. Kwan, who had spent years studying the human genome and developing a way to eliminate the negative traits that made people commit crimes, hurt others, or engage in other harmful behaviors. People were initially skeptical about the chip's capabilities, but soon enough, they were lining up to get it implanted. Governments around the world offered the chip for free to their citizens, and it was hailed as a solution to many of society's problems. As more and more people got the chip implanted, there was a noticeable shift in behavior. Crime rates dropped, violent behavior became less common, and people started to get along better with each other. It seemed as though the chip was doing exactly what it was designed to, removing the bad and evil genes from people's DNA. However, as time went on, some people began to notice that there were unintended consequences of the chip's implementation. People who had once been rebellious or creative started to become conformist and boring. Those who had once been willing to take risks and try new things now became timid and risk-averse. Dr. Kwan had never intended for his invention to have these side effects, but he realized that he had overlooked some crucial aspects of human nature. He started to work on a new version of the chip that would allow people to keep their positive traits while eliminating the negative ones. Eventually, a new chip was developed that achieved the right balance between removing harmful genes and preserving beneficial ones. People who received this new chip experienced fewer negative emotions and behaviors but retained their individuality and creativity. In the end, the chip became a tool for personal growth and self-improvement, rather than a way to eradicate evil from the world. It taught humanity that the key to a better future was not to eliminate our flaws but to learn to control and channel them in positive ways.